So what's up, guys? Today is September 20th and I'm heading over to my pre-op appointment. Many of you know that I'm having surgery in a couple of weeks on a foot from a motorcycle accident when I was a child. So I'm going over to have the pre-op appointment where I assume they're gonna tell me about the operation and maybe do some blood work. They said it'd take a couple hours this morning. Thought I'd take you guys along though. I also thought I'd record this in as few takes as I can. Usually I do a bunch of jump cuts. Not necessarily jump cuts, but just cut. The reason I do that is because I have long gaps in my speech when I'm riding. But the heck with it. Today I'm going to just try and record it in a couple of longer pieces, see how it works. So this is beautiful Roy City. It's nice looking in the morning and in the fall, and some people have nice cut grass, everything's green. I gotta go do a canyon ride too, maybe tonight if I have time. This weekend, although it's supposed to start getting some rain on Thursday, might not be able to ride too much this weekend due to weather. But I'd really like to get up there in the canyon and see the fall colors, see what they look like on the bike and in the video. So what else to talk about? Didn't really make any plan for what I was going to talk about. I'm only going to be riding for a couple of minutes. After the pre-op appointment, I'll head over to my dad's and help him work on a truck of mine. Truck my son's been driving. He was parked on the curb and in his girlfriend's house, and somebody rear-ended it and then ran. So we don't know who it was. Luckily, we had uninsured motorist on the truck, and that is paying for the damage. So we've got a check from the insurance company, or it's on the way. And then we bought back the vehicle and we're fixing the damage ourselves. It won't be nice looking or anything. It's gonna be, you know, it's gonna have some dents in it and stuff, but it should be drivable, and it gets a little better gas mileage than my truck does, so it should be good. So I just finished up my pre-op appointment, and they give me a shoe. I didn't think about that too well. I didn't bring a backpack or anything. So I have this little medical shoe shoved in my jacket, as well as a folder full of papers. Hello, puppies. So it seems to be sitting on my lap just fine though. I'm heading home. I was supposed to go to my dad's house, but I'm heading home to take the shoe and the folder home, drop them off. Didn't take quite as long as I expected it to. Only about an hour. They told me to leave 2 hours for it, so that's good. I'll be over to my dad's house a little earlier than I expected. We can go to the junkyard and get finished up on the truck. Don't like that. Follow this guy. He's got those signs and stuff just clanking around back there. He's got chains. They're probably secured, but I mean, Wouldn't be fun to run over. There, cop. Maybe? Didn't have any markings on it. Just lights. Used to be a PT Cruiser Dare police car around here. I imagine that was it. Just all of the Dare logos were taken off of it. Sitting here thinking about surgery and how nice it'll be to have that toe fixed. Maybe have the same size shoe on both feet again. That would be nice. All right, so it's about 1 o'clock, starting to warm up out here. I got the Blazer back to my house, all fixed up. It's got a new tailgate on it. It's the wrong color, but it's fixed. New glass. Got a couple of dents in it still, but looks pretty good.